Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore the word dummy. It's a word that has a few different meanings, depending on the context. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to use dummy in various situations. Let's get started. So, what does dummy mean? Dummy can refer to a fake object, something that is a model, or even a person who is not speaking or being silent. Let's go over a few of the common meanings. Dummy as a fake object. It's often used to refer to an object that is used as a substitute or model to look like the real thing. Example, the store used a dummy mannequin to display the clothes. In this case, dummy refers to a model or a representation of a real object. Dummy as a model or practice object. Sometimes, dummy refers to a practice version of something, like a training tool. Example, the soldiers practiced their drills on a dummy target. Here, the dummy is used for training purposes, not a real target. Dummy as a silent person. Dummy can also describe a person who is being quiet or not speaking. Example, stop being such a dummy and speak up. This use of dummy refers to someone who is being quiet or unresponsive. Let's take a look at some more examples of dummy in different situations. The car crashed into a dummy on the test track to test its safety features. He used a dummy script to practice his lines before the play. I can't believe she called me a dummy for making a simple mistake. As you can see, dummy can mean different things depending on the situation. It can refer to a fake object, training tools, or even a person being silent or acting foolishly. You might be wondering, when should I use dummy? Here are some contexts. Fake objects. Use dummy when you're talking about an object that represents something real, but is not functional. For example, a mannequin or a training device. Example, the doctor used a dummy to demonstrate how to use the medical equipment. Silent person. If you want to describe someone who is being quiet or not talking, you can use dummy in a casual, sometimes playful way. Example, stop being a dummy and tell me what you really think. Model or training. You can use dummy when talking about an object used for practice, testing, or as a model. Example, they placed a dummy in the driver's seat to test the car's airbags. Quick recap. Dummy can mean a fake object or model used to represent something real. It can also refer to a training tool or practice object. In a casual sense, dummy can describe someone who is silent or acting in a foolish way. Now you know how to use dummy in different situations. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful English lessons. Drop a comment below if you want me to explain more words. See you next time, and keep learning.